Okay, I've got to express this in completely square form. So I don't like it with a 2 outside. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take the 2 out and leave me whatever else in square brackets. 2x squared, that'd be minus 3x, and 2 lots of plus 5.5. And now by doing it in square brackets, I could use round brackets, but that means all I have to focus on is this bit here. And so that equals 2 lots of, complete the square, x minus 3 over 2 squared. And what will that give me if I square that? That will give me x squared minus 3 over 2 and then minus another 3 over 2 will give me minus 3x. It will also give me plus 9 over 4. So I'm going to need to take away 9 over 4 and then add 5.5. What's that give me? 2 lots of x minus 3 over 2 squared, and I've got plus 9 over 4, that's 2 1/4, there's a minus 2 1/4 plus 5.5, so that's 5.5 minus 2 1/4. If I write down that way round, it's easier. 5 take away 2 is 3, and a half take away 1/4 is 1/4, so that'll be plus 3 1/4. Just look to see what it wants it. It wants to be, okay, it's just the p, which is going to be 2 times by this bit, so it's going to be 2 lots of x minus 3 over 2 squared, and then I've got to do 2 lots of 3 1/4, so that'll be 6.5. So that's done the first bit. Part 2. State the coordinates, or state just means I just have to write them down. Of that curve, just check it's the same curve as it is up here. Yep, it is. So I've done it. It'll be 3 over 2 and 6.5. The reason behind that is, if x equals 3 over 2, 3 over 2 take away 3 over 2 will be nothing. And when you square nothing, it's the lowest it can ever be, which is 0. And when it's 0, that bit will be 6.5. That's easy. Part 3. Calculate the discriminant of this. So that's A, that's B, and that's C. So we go on to a discriminant b squared minus 4ac. So b squared, so it's negative 6 times by negative 6, which is 36, take away 4, times by the a, which is 2, times by c, which is 11. So I've got to do 36, take away 2 from 4 2's 8, and then that'll be 88. And it's going to end up being negative, and I'm going to do 88 take away 36 will be 52 rather. Minus 52 is part 3. Part 4, state, there's only one mark here, state, I don't need any working out. The number of real roots of this, that is the same thing as we've had up here. The discriminant was negative, therefore there will be 0 real roots. And finally, part 5, find the coordinates, the point of intersection of this, which we just worked out, and a line here. So I've got to have 2x squared minus 6x plus 11, and that's going to equal, let's rearrange this, let's get y equals 14 minus 7x. So that will equal 14 minus 7x. Going to add 7x to both sides and take away 14, so it gives me 2x squared. Add 7x will give me plus just 1x, take away 14, which will be minus 3, is 0. I'm hoping that's going to factorise 2x and x. We'll have a look and see if it does. I've got to get 3. One's positive and one's negative, so I've got 1 and 3. One's positive, one's negative. And I want this one to be positive. I think if 3 goes here, that's going to make 6x. I won't be there. I think 3 is going to have to go there. 1's going to have to go there. And that's going to give me 2x and 3x, which is good. I want 3x to be positive, this one to be negative. Just check. 2x squared minus 2x plus 3x, this means plus x, minus 1. There we are, good. Something times something is 0. So either 2x plus 3 equals 0, or x minus 1 equals 0. So 2x equals negative 3, so therefore x equals negative 3 over 2, or x equals 1. So done it. Nope, it asks for find the coordinates. So I need to find out what the y values are as well. So when x equals that, I've got to do y equals 14 minus 7x. So y will be 14. Minus times a minus is positive. 7 lots of this will be 21 over 2. And that will be y equals 14. That'll be 10 and a half. So that'll be 24 and a half. Or y will equal 14 minus 7x. 14 minus 7 ones, that's 7. So that is y equals 7. So our coordinates are minus 3 over 2 and 24 half and a half, or 1, 7, which is much easier. And that's question 10 and the whole paper done.